The last step on our color wheel is to create a monochromatic scale. It's similar to a value scale, but with color applied. So on this one, it is showing you how to use the custom shape tool. So at the very bottom of our shape menu, we have custom shape tool. And our custom shapes are here at the top. So if I click on this arrow, you'll see I have different shapes to choose from, but there's actually a lot more than this. If you hit the menu button here, it looks like a gear. And when you click that, if you go to all, hit OK, and it's going to pull up all of the custom shapes. And there's a lot of pretty cool ones. Like you have these little animals, whatever you want to use. So to be festive, I think I'm going to use like a leaf. So I'm just going to use, say, this leaf. And I'm going to start by making my pure color in the middle. So you can choose your favorite color. It doesn't have to be what I choose. So up here where I have my fill, I'm going to change that to my favorite color. So it's like a teal. So I'm going to drag out my middle color, use my move tool to make sure I place it in the middle. And I'm going to start by making my tints here on the left. So if I hold down the Alt key, I'm going to drag over a copy. And I'm going to pull over my properties. So properties panel is usually tucked here. It looks, the icon looks like this, or you can go to Window, Properties. And it looks like it's not giving, here, let me see, let me hide that. Okay, so bring out my properties. So it looks like for this, it does not show you like your fill. So we're going to do this a different way. So if you double click over here on your layer panel, here on the thumbnail, like the actual image thumbnail, it should bring up your color picker. So if I have my pure color here, I'm going to move, I'm going to gradually, to make my tints, move over to the left. So I'm going to make this a little lighter, and depending on the color you pick, you might have to move more of a distance, okay? So it should get gradually lighter as we move over. So I'm going to grab my move tool, make another copy, double click over here on my layer thumbnail to bring up my color picker, and just gradually move my way up towards white. Okay, make another copy, double click over here on my layer panel, like so. And then I'm going to make my last tint. This one's going to be almost completely white. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to shape 1, and I'm going to start making my shades. So I'm going to, with my move tool selected, I'm going to hold down Alt and drag over my pure hue here in the middle. And I'm going to double click over here on my layer panel and gradually make it darker. And just keep repeating the process. Get darker as you go. Where you almost get to be pure black. And I'm going to show you how to fix this. So, all right. So like before, I'm going to click my top layer, hold Shift, select my bottom shape layer. I'm not going to select the other color wheels. And I want to transform these all at once. So I'm going to hit Control T and just make these all a little smaller so it fits here nicely, because I am grading your craftsmanship. I'm going to hit Enter. And I'm going to go ahead and put these in a folder and title this folder Monochromatic, so it's nice and organized. So from here, you're finished. So go ahead and update your PSD file by going to File, Save. And now go to File, Save As. Save it as a JPEG. And I would like you to upload both the JPEG and PSD file for this, okay? And then you just upload it to Classroom.